Hello traders, and welcome back to our Q's analysis class here tonight on Tuesday, September 4th of 2012. Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade mentoring program. Hope you all had a wonderful long weekend and you're all back in the game. So now let's take a look at our Q's daily chart and let's analyze it here to make sure you all know what's happening at this point in time. Wow, check this out. We are pulling back down and getting further and further away from the high of 68.88, and also we are trying to break through that low of August 24th, which was at 67.60, which we talked about quite some time ago. And that was our breakout point, because if we do ever break through that low of 67.60 and close the day lower, we would have our pretty W formation right here. Hope you remember that. Confirmed. Okay, that's the W. But we never closed lower than 67.60. We were trying to, but we never had enough strength to sustain that low, and we bounced off of that lower area support down here, closing the day higher. So that's what we see happening this point in time. We're trying to fight this area support down here really hard, but it's a pretty hard wall to break through. So watch it really carefully tomorrow and the rest of this week, because that is a significant area of support that I want you to pay close attention to, and make sure you have a trend line over 67.60. All right, so now let's move down and take a look at our friend MACD. Wow, the MACD is still pointing lower. It's getting closer and closer to the zero line. But according to the MACD, we're still in a bullish territory above the zero line. But once we cross that line, we will enter into a bearish territory. That's what we're looking for. If we do ever see a breakout through the 67.60 mark and the MACD continuing lower, entering into bearish territory, that would be a really nice confirmation of a downtrend forming. And then also what we'll have to see with this happening is a breakout on a pretty nice, decent volume above the average. As you can see right now, we are trading at a pretty nice volume above the average, or slightly above the average. That is very nice. That's what I look for. So now, again, tomorrow, put a trend line over that magic number of 67.60. Watch it really carefully. If we do ever break through it to the downside, if we were close below it, make sure the MACD is confirming that move and the volume is confirming it also. But if we do never do it, if we do instead bounce back to the upside, watch those areas of resistance right up here, 68.25, and then the next one up would be up here at 68.88. All right, yeah. So hope it helps you and you have a better understanding of where we're going here with this and what's happening at this moment. And the last thing I wanted to talk to you about is that we are inviting everybody over to join our free class tomorrow, Wednesday, September the 5th at 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific time. We're going to have a pretty nice class and a very interesting class on trading infrastructure. So if you are available at that time, please join us because you're going to learn a lot. But anyways, again, 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific, and what you need to do is click on the link right below the video. I'm going to post a link, a registration link that will take you through the registration process, register for the class, and I hope to see you all out there tomorrow evening. All right, so enjoy the rest of your evening, day, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.